The set includes 1 roller brush, 4 side brushes, 4 filters, 6 rags, and 1 giveaway goose head brush. Our sweeping robot accessories are of excellent quality. The roller brush and side brush are made of high-strength special engineering plastics, and the bristles are made of nylon treated by a special process, which is durable and suitable for complex floors. The rag is made of strong water-absorbing material, which effectively removes stains. The filter screen is interwoven with fine fibers, and the filtration efficiency exceeds 99.97%, purifying the air. The accessories work together to bring you an efficient cleaning experience.